Hi, Doc.
Yes.
So we see that there are so many doctors who are new to the field of hair transplant come to ISHR for hair transplant training. So what about those doctors who already have an established practice? Don't they need to upgrade?
Dr. Divya is correct. If you're already practicing hair transplant, at different level you may be practicing, depends on how much senior you have become. Remember, the top 1% doctors in the world in the field of hair restoration, they know the best because of their experience and travel. Unfortunately, people don't pass on the knowledge free of cost, anywhere. It's kept secret, you know that. So here is a great time. Online, we can transfer all the latest protocols of great hair transplant surgery with the best doctors in the world do. We are 15 years plus in this field. So what are the new things? What is Instant FUE? Simultaneously extraction implantation of graft. What's cell FUE? What's fat hair transplant? What's DMEM? What's ATP? Soft hair from nape of the neck. We don't use adrenaline. Safe anesthesia. We don't use lidocaine 2%. No bupivacaines. Preservative-free anesthesia. What's Zalocate? What's ropivacaine? So we have to make it safe heat transplant. No more bupivacaines, no more xylocanidin. We continue minoxidil. We don't stop. We have a new protocol how to reduce bleeding without adrenaline and minoxidil continue. What's loading dose of antioxidants? There is much more. Why one should not go more than 30 degree here, not more than 20 degree here. The deeper you go, you damage the blood vessels. Problem, survival rate. Graft should not bend. There's so much. Double forceps, keep implanters. 5 to 10 degree, how you do it, how the angle directions change. What is lateral slit? What is sagittal slits? What is lateral slit? There is so much. What is safe donor area? So keep upgrading yourself every year so that you don't have to visit the best of conferences. You don't have to go through everything. We travel the world and we are in touch with the best. We ourselves have 15-year plus experience. So we pass on everything to you on phone, on WhatsApp call, online to pass on every year the newer developments in the field of hair restoration at a very nominal fee. So WhatsApp now, one of my doctors will let you know what are the new things and how you can enroll and get certification from ISHR, which is an affiliate body of World Society of Hair Restoration and Surgery.